teach students how to draw houses, structural buildings. We do surveying, mechanical design, 3D printing, 3D scanning. Basically getting students ready to go in the workforce to be CAD designers or engineering technicians.
I like the concept of it, just be able to do hands-on work, be able to actually do the plans of the layout. We all actually have a pretty good time in class. We all just do our work together and have fun.
It's a great feeling to have a student who comes 2 years, gets a degree, goes out to work, and they're making money and they enjoy what they're doing. We're going to start a new agreement with MSU branch here in Meridian, and that will give our students more opportunities after they finish.